Hi again, everyone. My name is Melissa Booker. Today I'm going to be playing Syndicate Plus. It was originally released in 1993 by Bullfrog Productions. Fun fact, it's actually produced by Peter Molyneux. Well, he was one of the producers, and he actually helped create the original Fable franchise, which is one of my favorite games. Now, I actually haven't played the original Syndicate game. I played Syndicate Wars back on the PlayStation 1. I know they recently came out with, well, recent-ish, came out with a new game, but from what I hear, it's nothing like the original ones. Apparently the new one's a first-person shooter. Far different from the original games. Haven't actually played this one before, so it's all new to me. I know the plot of the game is where you're some type of grunt for a corporation. Now you get up to it's sort of like a real-time strategy game. Basically you basically play as a bunch of cyborgs and you get to order them around. From what I remember of the Syndicate Wars, it was pretty fun. I didn't really get too far because I was a kid when I played it, so, you know. Let's just get... yeah. Okay. Begin mission. Brief. Okay, mercenary camp assassination. Intelligence reports have indicated that an army colonel is stealing resources from your weapons division and using them to equip his mercenaries. His base has been set up just outside one of our cities, and the populace have reported disturbances caused by his troops. Okie doke. Accept. Okay, so here I guess you get to... yeah, these are your 4 different cyborgs. So there's Agent Bush, Hicks, Dawson, and Jones. Looks like 2 of them are female and 2 of them are male. I suppose, I guess this is the equip screen. You get a pistol. Go to research, mods, equip. So I just started this game. There are no mods. I was super excited when I heard that we could play one of our own games. I use GOG pretty frequently. Okay. So it looks like you can individually select them and have them go. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about that. I remember in the original one, we had the option of just all of them moving at the same time. Assassinate going. Oh crap. I have enemies coming towards me now. The screen's pretty small too. Yeah, And as you can see, you can sort of have them all swarm the enemy, and here you have their health bars. Yeah, one of us. Yeah. Well, this kind of brings me back when I used to suck at this game. Everybody said mission failed. And we're back for mission debriefing. And I guess here you can go back and replay it. Wow, I did bad. Oh well. Anyway, this is Melissa signing off with Syndicate Plus.